Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to add someone on Google Chat. Without any further ado, let's get started. First things first, direct your attention to the upper left corner of your Google Chat interface. You'll notice a button labeled New Chat. Go ahead and click on it to begin the process of starting a conversation with someone new. This button is your gateway to connecting with colleagues, friends, or anyone else you need to reach through Google Chat. Once you click New Chat, a search field will appear on your screen. This is where you'll input the email address of the person you want to add and chat with. Type in their email address carefully to make sure you're reaching the right person. As you start typing, Google Chat will automatically search through your contacts and suggest matching email addresses, making it easier and faster to find the person you're looking for. After entering the email address, you'll see their name and email appear in the suggestions below the search field. Click on their email once it shows up in the list. This action selects them as the recipient of your chat, confirming that you want to start a conversation with this specific person. It's a simple but essential step to ensure you're connecting with the correct contact. Next, you'll notice a Start Chat button appear on your screen. Click on this button to officially initiate the chat with the person you've selected. This creates a dedicated chat space where you and the other person can exchange messages back and forth. The chat will now appear in your conversations list, making it easy to return to whenever you need. Now that the chat is open, it's time to send your first message. Look at the bottom of the screen where you'll find a text field. This is where you can type your message. Input whatever you'd like to say, whether it's a quick hello, a work-related question, or anything else you need to communicate. Once you've typed your message, simply hit the send button and your message will be delivered instantly to the other person. And that's it! You've successfully added someone on Google Chat and started a conversation with them. The process is quick and straightforward, allowing you to connect with anyone in just a few clicks. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.